got
Hey
smushed.
YouTubers, welcome back to our Desert Have a Garden. We have some radishes that are looking ready for the picking today. So we're going to go in here and see what we can find. And as my youngest just pointed out, there is a smushed one. It looks like a rabbit actually chewed that off. I didn't see it focusing there, but okay, let's see if we have some that are ready though. Let's look in here, Lewis. What do you think of that one? Do you think that one looks ready?
Yep.
Can you pull it up like this by the bottom?
Yep.
Oh, I see another one right next to it. Pull it up. What do you think?
Good.
Okay, well let's set it down. And I think there's one right here. Was that easy to pull up or was that hard?
It was easy.
Easy, okay. What about this guy? Nice. Uh-oh. That one has a problem.
A rabbit ate his back out.
It does look like a rabbit got it.
Oh.
Do you see another one?
Yep.
Let's grab it. Don't grab too many. You don't want to grab the ones that aren't ready. Is that one ready?
Uh-huh.
Very nice. Put it in the stack.
Oh.
Okay, what else? Do we have any more over
Yep.
here? Ooh, that one's cute. Any more?
Yep. Lots.
That one's kind of small. Let's try to get the big ones. Wait. Don't pull it. Don't pull it yet. Let's see. Those look little. Let's let them get bigger. Hold on.
Okay.
Those are still little. See, we planted these in a series, so there are some that have been out here longer than others.
Oh.
What about this one?
What is it?
I think that one looks like it may be ready.
Yeah. Let me pull it out.
Can you get it?
Yep.
Here, I'll move out of the way. You can try.
Jump across.
No jump across. How about Mama gets this one? Ooh, that looks like a nice one, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
Any over here that look ready? What about that one?
Yeah. Looks ready.
Nice. How about these guys over here? Nope. These look too small. That one might be ready, yeah. Nice. All right. Anything else? Those are still small. How about this one? Hold it still. There we go. Let's put it in the stack and let's look at all these radishes we got today.
So we eat them?
We will eat them, not the one that the bunny ate. But look at all these. How cool is that? So we've got our first harvest out of the garden and it happens to be radishes. So we are looking forward to more coming up in the future. We have been planting them as we're going, so we should continue to get a crop of them for several weeks more to come.
Oh,
So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates in the future.